Hello guys, welcome to Artist Box. Today we are going to make this Shagun envelope. So this is a beautiful piece that you can use it for your own purpose, or if you are going to gift it to someone, a set of these will be a very good gift. Let's go to the materials required. As usual, we'll need a scale, a pair of scissors, a cutter. Okay, apart from this, for the special project, I have chosen printed cardstock paper. It's printed cardstock paper. It is available in Amazon, also in various craft shops and everywhere. Okay, so these come in variety of colors and variety of patterns. And I have some this one hologram sheets. These are called hologram sheets, and it is green color. It is available in various colors also. Okay, and I also like to tell you that it is 10 sheets. It's of 125 rupees. So per cover will be 12 rupees 50 paise for you if you make it at home. So it is a very good business opportunity, guys. Okay, and I also have the silver color paper. Like, it's not a paper, it's a texture card. It's a thick card, and I have some stickers. These are pearl stickers and stone stickers. Okay, so if you don't have any of these, you can very well go ahead and use a thick gift wrapper. Okay, it should be very thick. Remember that it's not a flimsy gift wrapper. A thick gift wrapper also will make a good envelope. Okay, so apart from this, we will be needing our crafty glue, guys. Very important. Okay, that's it for the materials. Okay, let's start the process now. So I have taken this bold feather printed orange color bright paper, like cardstock, to make this envelope. It will be better to show you like this. This bright color will be helpful for you guys. Okay, so basically I'm going to do a measurement in the paper, in the cardstock, so that you will be able to get a correct piece. So since the new rupee notes are of the size 17 centimeters, 17 centimeters by, I think it is like 7 centimeters or something. Okay, so I have I'm marking 3 parts of it to make the envelope. So, okay, first part will be of 6 centimeter, then the second part will be of 7 centimeter, and then a 5 centimeter length. Okay, the total length will be 17 centimeter, and the width will be 5 plus 7 plus 6. Okay, so I am going to draw and show you in a white paper so that you will be able to understand the measurements properly. So suppose this is your paper, cardstock, or whatever, like the gift wrapper also you can take, as I said. So first, the bottom part will be 6 centimeter, above that will be 7 centimeter, and above that is 5 centimeter, and the total length of the envelope will be 17 centimeter. Okay, so that is going to be the measurement. Please make sure you note the measurements properly. First, let me show you the measurements very close, up and close, so that you will remember it properly. Make a note of it, guys. It's very important. Okay, fine. So now we will start with the actual process on the cardstock. I am going to do the same measurement on this cardstock. Fine. So I have already taken 17 centimeter and I have drawn a line. So I'm just going to draw a line across with the measurements given. Okay, so 5 centimeter the top line, and then a 5 centimeter one line will be there, and then there will be another line at the 7 centimeters. Okay, so now this is our base. So we are going to cut this off. Okay, we'll cut it off with the scissors. Take a nice sharp scissors for this, otherwise it will be a very dirty work. It will not look nice. Okay, so I am cutting this whole part, and I am going to give you some tips for folding the cardstock paper very easily. I told you we will need a scale for this, right? It's not only for measuring this. Basically, it is also for folding the crease actually. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fold the crease exactly where we want it. Okay, so place the scale, hold it firmly, tightly, and just make a crease. See how beautiful the crease is. So you will not have any wrong folding over there. Okay, so this is going to be our base. So the base is now ready. Okay, now we are going to cut two smaller pieces from the remaining card paper. Okay, so that the measurement will be for that 2 centimeter and 7 centimeter will be the whole length of it. So will need two pieces of that size, 2 centimeter width and 7 centimeter length. Okay, so I'm cutting it from the same piece, from the same cardstock, the orange color one. Okay, so let me first finish the line. Okay, and I'm going to draw the 2 centimeter part, and I will be cutting this part also. So let me cut that. Okay, fine. So that is my center, that is the 7 centimeter. So I will cut this into two pieces now. Okay, follow me through, guys. If you have any doubts, please do write in the comment box. I will clear it out for you. If you like the video also, you can comment it on the comment box. It's a booster for me. So do like, share and subscribe as much as you can see here. So two different pieces I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold these pieces exactly at 1 centimeter width. Okay, so basically I'm going to fold it into halves. Okay, so the width is 2 centimeter, the length is 7 centimeter. Fine. So now we are going to, these are the things that we need. These pieces are the only things that we need. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold these two strips into halves. So for that I'm going to measure 1 centimeter and I'm going to draw a line so that I will have a perfect folding over there in the center. Okay. So in the second strip also I'm doing the same thing. Take 1 centimeter and then draw a line across so that you will have a perfect fold. Fine. So now I'm going to fold it as usual with the scale on the line and fold it to make a perfect crease. So that's it. Super folding, yeah, I like it. So I'm going to fold this piece also. Fine. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both these strips and I'm going to give a small curved cut to give a look for it, so that it will look pretty, and it is also a purpose curve. Okay, so I'll tell you how to fix these pieces. It's a very small curve, guys. No need to cut a big chunky piece and all. Okay, a small curve for maybe 0.5 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter will be enough. So see, this is the flap for us. That will be the folding part. Okay, this will be the covers opening. So what we are going to do is basically we are going to okay, so here I will show you first how to make the flap a bit beautiful. Okay. Okay, so since 17 centimeter is the length of the whole thing, I am going to take 8.5 centimeter as the center part of it. So I am going to draw a curved design till that 8.5 centimeter. Now I will show you a cool trick to how to have it exactly the same size. Usually we will draw the other side. It may not turn out the same size or the same shape or something, and we will erase it and we will do it, right? But this is very easy. This is also a very good tip for you guys. Just have a look at it. I'm going to cut this whole piece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to place it on the opposite side. See, the right side on top. Yeah, see, like that. And I'm going to draw the outline. Just watch how I'm doing it so that you will get a better idea. Okay, so I am going to just draw the curve. Yeah, perfect. Super. So this is how it is going to be. See, it's of the same size and the same shape. That will be very easy for us. You can use this for other purposes also, guys. There are lots of other things where we can use this trick. So first thing is how to fold. I have told you how to fold the cardstock paper very easily using a scale. The second thing is how to make a curved flap. Okay, so now this whole envelope is almost ready. So what we are going to do is we are going to just stick these two small strips that we have already cut and we have shaped it. So on these both sides, and then we are just going to stick on the bottom part on top of it. That's it, guys. Like that. That's it. That's the envelope. Done. Super. So we'll start with that process now. Okay. So this Shagun envelope is very useful during very functions and even for birthday functions. Okay, and you can it's not only for gifting the money or anything like that. This envelope itself is a gift. Seriously, I'm telling you guys, it's really a good gift. If you're going to gift someone, you can make 10 of these and you can just put it in a cover and gift them as a set. They will remember you for the rest of their life. Whenever they are going for a function or a marriage, they'll be very happy to take it with them. I think this kind of covers outside, it is costing around 15 or 20 rupees per cover. But this one, if we make it at home, it will be a lot cheaper and also it will give us the satisfaction that we made it. Got it? So that is a better option for us. Nowadays, due to Corona, we are not going to buy. I'm really scared to buy things outside. I'm sanitizing whatever I get from outside, so it's a bit scary situation over there. But if we make this at home, it is a very safer option for us and also a good business opportunity for you guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. The sticking part is over. So that's it. Our envelope is ready. See how easy peasy it is. Very easy to make, very pretty to look at, and you will love it. I'm telling you guys. And I'm not going to stop at this. I'm going to tell you how to decorate these envelopes. Okay, so did you see the pearl spots on my green envelope that I showed you? Yeah. This one I have made a silver color envelope. I showed you the silver card, right? The texture card. Same thing. I have made an envelope. There I have just made a different flap design of a curved part. Okay, that is also very simple. You have to just draw the curve and cut it out. Okay, so now I'm going to start decorating the silver color piece. Okay, with the kundan stones that I have. I showed you the sticker with the lengthy one, right? So just this is very easy to actually take it out and stick it. Okay, I'm going to just take it out, and you have to like just peel it off the sheet, and I am using a scissor. Actually, the scissor is not needed here. You can just peel it off with your hand or just tuck it off. Yes. So that's it, and it's very easy to stick it on whatever thing. These stickers can be used in any thing, like how we made greeting cards with the washi tapes, right? We can use the same stickers on that also. It will be very good. You can use this on my bookmark video. Did you see that? Yeah, that also you can use. These stickers are quite useful and colorful for the kids too. They will enjoy using these stickers all the time. Okay, so I'm going to just decorate one half of it. If I put all the way stones, it will be like too flashy. And usually I don't like flashy things, so I don't do it. If you like flashy things, you can very well go ahead and decorate it as much ever as you want it. Okay, these sheets are like for 30 rupees or 35 rupees. It's available in almost all fancy shops. You can use those. And one more tip, guys, as I'm doing these things, I will tell you this one I'm not going to use a sticker. You see, did you see that extra paper, waste paper that I had? Yeah, this one, the extra paper that I had from my previous envelope. So I'm going to just cut a small strip out of it, and I'm going to stick on the corner, like 1/4 of the paper, and I'm going to just stick it across it. That's it, the simple decoration. you will be very much intrigued by this beauty actually. So it's very easy. It's very easy to make and it's very easy to decorate. Okay, as I was telling you guys, not only this, you can also use old invitation cards that you are not using nowadays. Like nowadays, people use very colorful invitation cards. You can use the same technique with the old invitation cards, and you can make these envelopes. And on the invitation cards, you will have pictures of flowers or pictures of gods or goddesses or anything like that. So you can cut that part alone, and you can stick on this. So that will be also a beautiful decoration for you guys. So there are umpty number of ways where you can decorate, like how you can decorate these things. So I'm using the pearl thing to finish off the green envelope here. So it's very easy and very simple, guys. Please do try this at home and give me a feedback how you liked it, how your family members loved it. I'm very sure they will love it. Okay. So please do like, share and subscribe my video. Don't forget to share, guys. The more you share, I will be more motivated to see. I can have a workshop and I can collect money from you guys. It's very easy, but I'm not interested in money making. So please do share, and subscriptions are more important for me. And also your comments, your valuable comments for these envelopes. Okay, hope to see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye. See you later with another beautiful episode of craft making in Artist Box. Bye guys, see you.